I see so many recipes using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I swear, y'all are sleeping on chicken thighs. They're really affordable and add so much more flavor. I saw Dano's video that went viral of his original chicken recipe. Basically, he patted each side of a chicken thigh really heavily with his seasoning and some oil, and then baked it in the oven for an hour and a half. He actually used a cast iron pan, but these were amazing. Never cooking my chicken thighs any other way. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me and let me know what you think.